Hello everyone, I'm Rob Daniel D. Berganes, and today I want to talk about one of the biggest problems we face in the Philippines: corruption. For many years, corruption has been like a disease in our government and society. It affects our economy, our education, our healthcare, and even the trust we give to our leaders. But first, why should we care about corruption? Because every time money is stolen, wasted, or misused, it's the ordinary Filipino people who suffers the most. Now, to summary of all what I said earlier, corruption is a deep wound in the Philippines, but it is not permanent if we all take action. Government, citizens, and the youth, we can heal and rebuild trust in our nation. So I challenge you, let's stop being silent, let's start normalizing corruption, let's be the generation that demands honesty, fairness, and true services from our leader. Together, we can fight corruption and create a Philippines that every Filipino deserves. Thank you for listening, and let's remember, real change begins with us. The second, let's go talk about the effect of corruption. So, how does corruption affect us? First, it weakens our economy, investors don't trust a corrupt system. Second, it worsens poverty. Money that should go to help the poor is lost. Third, it destroys trust. Many Filipinos lose faith in the government and even stop believing in change. In the end, it's always the ordinary Filipino like farmers, workers, students, and families who carry the heavy burden. But now, let's go talk about the reality of corruption, or should we say, what is corruption? Corruption happens when leader or official use their power for personal gain instead of serving the people. Sadly, this is not new to us Filipinos, from ghost projects that don't really exist, to overpriced public services, and even bribes to speed up government processes. Corruption is everywhere. But think about it. The funds that should be used to build schools or hospitals are sometimes stolen. Roads and bridges remain unfinished because the budget disappears. This is why progress in our country feels so slow. Now, third and lastly, what can we do to fight corruption? First, the government must practice transparency and accountability. Leaders should be honest and open about where our taxes go. Strong laws shall punish those who steal public funds. Second, we the citizens must not tolerate corruption, saying it's okay or ignoring. If we see corruption, we must report it. We must vote wisely and not be blinded by empty promises or money during elections. And third, the youth, our students play an important role. We can spread awareness through social media, join youth movement for good governance, and most importantly, choose integrity in our own lives. Or take advantage of others is already fighting corruption.